I'm here today to talk to you about this Mitek portable vice grip. So I purchased this because I do a lot of crafts and I did not want a big heavy vice grip because I just don't really need it for that purpose. And I don't have a workbench, and the most important thing for this was that it was portable and I can take it anywhere I want, whether I'm traveling and still want to work on some of my crafts. I can take it right with me. So this one here is a 2.5. Now they have them all the way up to 6 inches, and what that 2.5 means is that this can only open 2.5 inches. And that for me was all I really needed. So one of the other things you get with this are protectors. So you get these protectors that are going to not only protect your product or whatever you're putting in the vise, they're going to protect whatever you're gripping it to. So you get this like round disc, and that goes in the center. And you get this little tab that goes right on top of the round disc part. So I'm going to attach this. As you can see, I attached it to the bottom, just the lip of my table, and now it's pretty secure. I wanted to say hold this mermaid here. So this lever here locks it in place so it doesn't swivel. And then you just turn this lever and now you can move the vice grip around so you can, whatever you're working on can be switched around. They also give you a pair of gloves. I don't necessarily know what the gloves are for, but that's what it is. I can paint it on this side, and then if I want, I can swivel it around, and now I can paint it on the back and do work on the back as well. Saying that this Mitek vice grip, I call it a table grip. I call it vice grip. It's a Mitek table vice grip. I think it's going to work perfect for me, and that's just my honest opinion.